What's up guys, and welcome to another video. So today we're doing the draw. We're just gonna get straight to the point.
Yes guys, hope your name's coming up.
Yep, where's our draw?
This is our draw and our name is inside here.
Yep, so we're just gonna get straight to the point. We're gonna pick 5 like we said, and
it's inside here, look at.
And as we said, you get 1 packet of Samoa's best taro chips. Thank you. You get a pack of Inalani's kekesaingas, which is the best kekesaingas in Samoa. You get a cup of Koko Samoa, and you also get a Siaosi and Victoria t-shirt.
And
alright, so let's draw. So you shake it and I'll pick one and then you can pick the next one, and then so on.
Oh, we should shake it in front of you guys because we're not complaining.
Yep.
We're gonna shake it at the front. Hope you guys are gonna come on.
Okay, I'll pick one and then I'll say it. So the first winner of SV Squad's first giveaway is, drum roll please.
Huh?
Drum roll please.
What was that? Oh, good.
Drum roll please. I swear we're gonna get kicked out. Faith Lofo! Congratulations,
Faith Lofo's the first winner.
Okay, I'll show you guys actually. Faith Lofo. Oh, you can't even see.
Just put this. And the second coming up.
Am I picking again?
No, I'll pick it.
Oh, hurry up then. You shouldn't shake it.
And the second is coming up. I picked. Hope the best, guys. I have seen.
Do you want drum rolls?
Yeah, drum rolls, drum rolls. Yay!
Open it!
Felipe Puli!
Yay! Congratulations, Felipe!
Yeah, Felipe Puli.
Felipe?
Felipe Puli.
Oh, you can't even. Drum roll, please! What can you do? Maserati 676. Congratulations, Maserati.
Oh. 676 Maserati. 676.
Alright, so we've got 2 more.
Here, hold it. Stop. Dawn Elizabeth Borrow.
Hi, Dawn. Okay, I get the last one. The lucky last winner of SV Squad's giveaway is... I feel so bad. I just want to send every single one of you something.
Yeah. I really love it.
I feel so terrible. Chilton Fuimano!
And the bonus.
Vad bonus är det? Give us in though.
Oh, what is that? Is that only 3? 5?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so to cap it all, we've got 5 winners. I feel terrible. Okay, guys, we will have giveaways in the future, so don't feel discouraged. I honestly wish that I could send every single one of you guys something. The first winner was Faith Lofo. The second one was Felipe Bully. The third one was Maserati 676. The fourth one was Dawn Elizabeth Borrow. And the fifth one was Chilton Fuimono. Congratulations everyone for your gifts. We'll be in contact with you guys soon to get your address.
Yeah.
And we'll be sending out your package very, very shortly.
Soon. Yeah.
But we will be doing more giveaways in the future, so stay tuned for that. And don't be discouraged if you didn't win. Like I said, there's more coming.
Yeah.
Alright, well thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for our vlogs. They gonna be lit. Bye!
Epulela tamalelo matua